Looking to enhance your TV viewing experience? In this video, we explore the best LED TV backlights on the market. These innovative products create a stunning visual atmosphere, adding depth and vibrancy to your favorite shows and movies. From adjustable color settings to smart technology integration, we'll highlight the features that make each option stand out. Join us as we compare the top choices and help you find the perfect backlight to elevate your home entertainment setup. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future update. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. Govee RGBIC LED Strip Lights, our pick for best budget LED TV backlight. Elevate your TV viewing experience without emptying your wallet. You don't need to splurge on expensive smart lights with voice control. Instead, consider the Govee Lightstrip as an attractive and budget-friendly option. Designed to attach seamlessly to the back of your TV, this light strip offers essential features such as color customization, music syncing, dimmability, and easy control, all at an affordable price. Transform your space with vibrant backlighting that can be tailored to fit your TV or any area you desire. Thousands of positive reviews highlight Govee's trusted reputation, making it a reliable choice. Setting up your Govee Lightstrip is a breeze. Simply connect it to your phone via Bluetooth and download the Govee Home app for easy operation. Plus, its trimmable design comes with clear cutting guidelines for a perfect fit. Keep in mind, the Lightstrip may be visible from the back of the TV if not positioned carefully, and it operates without Wi-Fi connectivity or voice control. Embrace a smarter viewing experience today with Govee. Number 4. DAYBETTER LED Lights, our pick for best cheap LED TV backlight. Brighten up your space with DAYBETTER LED lights. This 60-foot strip boasts an impressive range of features that make it one of the best inexpensive lighting solutions available. Color changing capabilities. Check. You can easily select from 44 keys on the IR remote, offering not just primary colors, but also 16 vibrant options. Transform any room into a mood paradise quickly and effortlessly. Its upgraded self-adhesive nature sticks firmly to smooth surfaces. It's a relief knowing you won't have to worry about the lights falling off. Just ensure you test them before the full installation to get the best results. Cutting and linking strips? Absolutely. Modify this product to fit any space seamlessly. While connectors are sold separately, the versatility allows for easy customization. You can set the scene for any gathering with ease. Use these lights in your bedroom, living room, or kitchen, creating an atmosphere perfect for parties or just a cozy night in. There's one small catch. These strips are non-waterproof, which means they need to stay dry. Just be mindful when testing. Keep them off the spool to prevent heat buildup. Embrace a fun and colorful atmosphere with DAYBETTER LED lights. Your space is about to shine. Explore further to transform your lighting experience. Still looking for the perfect LED TV backlights to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. LitMe Fantasy 3 TV Backlight Kit, our pick for best mid-range LED TV backlight. If you're seeking to elevate your home entertainment experience, the LitMe Fantasy 3 TV Backlight Kit is an exceptional choice. Unlike traditional camera-based TV backlights, which can lag during fast-paced scenes and struggle in daylight, this innovative kit uses a sync box for precise digital syncing. This means you'll enjoy an instant response to scene changes, even in bright conditions. Imagine the thrill of your favorite action movie, or the intensity of an FPS game, enhanced by a lighting experience that's perfectly in sync. Setting up the Fantasy 3 is a breeze with no distracting cameras required, and it offers a sleek aesthetic. With 4 HDMI ports, you can easily connect all your devices, be it your gaming console, PC, or streaming box. Plus, it supports HDMI 2.1, making it a fantastic option for gamers and Apple TV 4K users who want to enjoy 4K at 120Hz or Dolby Vision movies, all while basking in immersive lighting. Controlling your lights is simple through the LitMe Home app or with voice commands via Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings. You can sync the lights not just with video, but also with music, or select from various static modes. Designed to fit TVs ranging from 27 to 120 inches, the Fantasy 3 TV Backlight Kit is your ticket to a more engaging viewing experience. Number 2. Philips Hue Play Gradient Lightstrip 55-inch with Bridge Hour pick for best premium LED TV backlight. Introducing Philips Hue Smart Lights, your ultimate solution for creating an immersive entertainment experience right in your living room. While they may be priced a bit higher than some other brands, many owners agree that the investment is truly worthwhile. Take the Play Gradient Lightstrip, for instance. This 55-inch bundle, complete with a Hue bridge, transforms your TV setup with brilliant surround lighting. With various color-changing modes and adjustable brightness, you can set the perfect mood for any occasion. What sets this light strip apart is its ability to synchronize colors with your TV. For the best experience, consider the HuePlay HDMI sync box. But if you own newer Samsung TV, you can easily connect through the HueSync TV app, eliminating the need for additional hardware. The app's innovative features deliver instant and precise color changes, seamlessly integrating with smart TV apps as well as gaming consoles like the PS5 and Apple TV 4K. In the box, you'll find everything you need. One 55-inch white and color ambience LED light strip, along with mounting brackets designed specifically for 55-inch TVs. The light strip easily attaches to the back of your television, allowing for effortless corner bends. Dive into the app to customize your lighting for movies, music, and gaming, all controlled effortlessly by voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant. Let your creativity shine. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Govee Envisual TV LED Backlight T2 with dual cameras, our pick for best LED TV backlight overall. Introducing the Govee Envisual T2 backlighting kit, our top choice for transforming your TV watching experience into a captivating visual feast. This innovative kit features sleek black strip lights that offer smart voice control and music syncing. But what truly sets it apart is the dual camera that mounts atop your TV. This clever camera captures the colors displayed on your screen, allowing the ambient lights to sync seamlessly with what you're watching, creating an immersive atmosphere in your living room. While we haven't tested these lights ourselves yet, we have had fantastic experiences with other Govee products. More on those later. The Envisual T2 is well loved by users, with stellar ratings and reviews across various retailers, which speaks volumes about its reliability and performance. One of the standout features of this kit is the DreamView syncing technology. It connects with your other compatible Govee lights, providing a cohesive and beautifully synchronized look throughout your space. Plus, the sleek black strip means it blends effortlessly with your TV setup, avoiding any unsightly tangles. Keep in mind, the camera relies on the lighting conditions around your TV. Direct light facing the screen can impact the color match, so you might need to adjust lamp positioning or tweak settings via the app to achieve the perfect ambience. Overall, the Govee Envisual T2 brings your favorite shows and movies to life in a whole new way. So, that wraps up our list of the best LED TV backlights. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which LED TV backlights you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.